Okay, so guys, in this video we have to find y2 if y is equal to root x plus 1 divided by root x. Basically, we have to do the second degree differentiation of this function given to us. First of all, y1, that is the first derivative, would be dy divided by dx is equal to d by dx root x plus d by dx 1 divided by root x. Okay, so root can also be written as power 1 by 2, so we can write d by dx x power 1 by 2 plus d by dx. Now this root x is in the denominator, so if we reciprocate it, it will become negative. So x power negative 1 by 2. Now let's just use the power rule. N over here is 1 by 2 and x is the same, so 1 divided by 2 as it is, then the function, then the power minus 1. So 1 divided by 2 minus 1 would be negative 1 divided by 2. Now over here, first of all, the power as it is, then the function power minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 would be, so we have minus 3 by 2. This thing is actually negative. Okay, so if we reciprocate it, it will become positive. So we can write 1 divided by 2 x power 1 by 2. Okay, so this thing is negative, so we can actually write negative. The negative sign will be multiplied by the positive sign, so we will have a negative. Then this thing again is in the negative format, so if we reciprocate it, it will become positive. So we will have 1 divided by 2 x 3 by 2. Now let's go ahead and find that second degree differentiation. So we can use d square y divided by dx square, or you can also write y2. Both of them are the same things. Okay. Now you can see 1 divided by 2 is a constant. So we can just separate it because the derivative won't have any effect on it. So 1 divided by 2 d by dx minus 1 divided by 2 d by dx. This thing x 1 by 2 is in the denominator. Okay, so we have 1 divided by x power 1 by 2. If we reciprocate it, it will become negative. So we can write x negative 1 by 2. Over here, the same thing, x negative 3 by 2. Now let's just find the differentiation. You can see we can also take out 1 divided by 2 common because 1 divided by 2 is present on both of these terms. So we can just write 1 divided by 2, the derivative of x negative 1 by 2 minus the derivative of x negative 3 by 2. So 1 divided by 2. Now let's just again use the power rule. So this is our n, negative 1 by 2 as it is, function power minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is actually minus 3 by 2 minus the power as it is, then the function power minus 1 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1 will give us negative 5 by 2. Negative 1 divided by 2. Now we can write this x in the denominator, so it will become positive x 3 by 2. This negative sign multiplied by this negative sign will give us positive. So we have 3 by 2. Again, this x can be written in the denominator, x 5 by 2. We can multiply this 1 divided by 2 back into these terms. So we will have minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied 2 is 4, x 3 by 2 plus 3 divided by 2 multiplied 2 is 4, x power 5 by 2. So this is the second degree derivative of root x plus 1 divided by root x.